Cast iron welding services have been helping to restore cast iron on heritage and conservation projects for decades. But now there's a new way of looking at this well-established process, focusing on a large reduction of the carbon emissions associated when you restore cast iron rather than replace it. Cast iron welding has always been known for helping reduce the cost of your projects, but now there's a new perspective, a new way of looking at things. Consider for a moment the environmental impact of manufacturing any new component. In 2020, CIWS commissioned a report to be made comparing remanufacturing cast iron and replacing cast iron. Working in conjunction with Reflow Maritime in Denmark, the results were startling. The findings were that when you manufacture 1 ton of new cast iron, nearly 8 tons of carbon dioxide is emitted into the atmosphere. That's the same as a small family car. And the same material remanufactured by cast iron welding services, just a little over 800 kilograms. That's an 89% reduction in emissions when you remanufacture cast iron instead of replace it. No matter the condition, cast iron can be recycled back to original specification for a new full life cycle and a proven reduction to the carbon footprint of your project. Recycling makes sense, but more than that, recycling makes a difference. Contact CIWS for more information.